Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class of Mount Litra Z School, Surat. Great school, great future. In today's session, I am going to discuss how to divide decimal number by a whole number and how to divide a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000. Now in the first, we will learn how to divide decimal number by whole number. So here, as you can see, there are certain number of steps that you have to follow while you do divide decimal number by a simple whole number. So the division of a decimal number by a whole is the same way, is similar to the division of a whole number by another. So the steps you should follow, what are they? We use the following steps to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Step 1, divide the whole number part of the decimal number by the whole, because it's a question. Now step 2, place the decimal point in the quotient once the division of the whole part is completed. I'll show you stepwise how you have to do divide. Step 3, continue dividing the decimal part of the number. Step 4, if we have a remainder after dividing the digits in the decimal part, place a 0 in the dividend and continue dividing. Then step 5, the division is completed when we get 0 as the remainder. Clear? Now stepwise I'll show you how to do. So consider, for an example, if you want to divide 24.6 by 5. So your step 1 will be divide 24 by 5. Here the quotient is 4. Why? Because 5 fours are 20 and remainder is 4. Fine. This is before decimal how to divide. So 5 fours are 20 and remainder is 4 and quotient is also 4. Now step 2, place the decimal in the quotient, and the quotient was 4. After that you place a decimal and bring down the first digit of the decimal part. Now first digit after decimal, that is 6. So you take it out down, you bring it out down. That is your step 2. Now step 3, after having this, after taking down, that will become 46. Now divide 46 by 5. Now everybody knows that 46 doesn't come to 5's table, so we'll take lesser of it. So 5 nines are 45. Fine. Now 46 minus 45, that will come 1. So now the quotient is 9 because 5 nines are 45 and remainder is 1. Then step 4, since the remainder is not 0, why? Because here you can see the remainder is not 0. We place the digit 0 in the dividend and the dividend was 24.6. So we place 0, then bring it down for the division. If you take the 0 down, first it was 1, then after that it will become 10. Now you know that then 10 can easily go with 5. 5 twos are 10 and 10 minus 10 is 0. So divide 10 by 5, the quotient is 2. 5 twos are 10, then remainder you will get 0. So if you divide 24.6 by 5 as an answer, you will get 4.92. These are the certain steps. Now we will learn how to divide decimal division by 10, 100 or 1000. So divide by power of 10. When we divide a number by power of 10, here it says 10 raised to the 1 means you have to divide this number by 10. Here you have to divide this number by 100. Fine. So what you will do? You will move the decimal point of the number to the left. Okay, the number of places to move would be equal to the index of 10. So in multiplication, what we did, we shifted the decimal points to the right, and here division will shift the decimal point that many places to the left hand side. So for an example, it says 72.64 divided by 10. How many zeros we have here? 1. So that many place you will shift decimal point to the left. So this will come here. So as an answer you will get 7.264. Now second example, if you do divide 72.64 divided by 10 raised to the 2, means 10 raised to the 2 means what? 100. So how many zeros will be having? 2. That many places you will shift to the left. So first decimal was here. Now count 2 digits from the left, 1 and 2, and place the decimal. So this would be your answer, 0.7264. Now dividing the same, move decimal to the left. So this is the easiest way to learn that how many number of zeros you have, that should be equal to the number of places you move. So number of zeros equals to number of places you move. Here how many zeros you have? 2. That many places you move, that many places you shift. So 2 places if you shift, that means the point answer will come 0.876. Here how many zeros? 3, because the case of division, that means 3 places you will shift to the left. Fine, right to the left. So here 1, 2 and 3, the answer will come 0.005. Clear? Thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.